Welcome back to Goku Alpha Calls. My name is Goku and right now, Bitcoin just played out a fake out to the downside to wipe out a bunch of liquidity. Now we have new short-term price targets. Bitcoin dominance is still showing bearish divergence, while Ethereum is showing short-term bearish divergence and Solana just hit finding some momentum to the upside. I'll talk more in this video, so watch till the end. On the weekly chart, Bitcoin's super trend is still green, indicating we're in a larger bull market. A bearish divergence is forming on the weekly chart, but not confirmed yet. The 3-day chart still shows bullish structure with a valid cup and handle targeting $153,000 unless we break below $110,000. On the daily chart, Bitcoin is consolidating below the $120,000 to $123,000 resistance zone, centered around the $120,600 Fibonacci extension. Despite some cooling, it's still a short-term pause in a longer-term bull trend. On the 4-hour chart, we almost saw a breakdown from this symmetrical triangle below $116,100, but it was invalidated quickly with a move back up. However, Bitcoin managed to break through this pattern on the upside, clearing a bunch of short liquidations around $120,200 and currently trading at these support levels of this pattern. We might likely see a sideways chop until more momentum builds up to new all-time highs. To take advantage of opportunities, make sure you're ready on a crypto exchange like BitUnix. You can earn up to $2,000 in trading bonuses and up to $400 if you deposit and trade using the link in the video description. BitUnix is a no KYC exchange, which means you can trade from anywhere, but first check your local regulations when it comes to trading crypto. On the Bitcoin dominance chart, bearish divergence remains active. The trend is still bearish for dominance, which is good for altcoins. This could continue downward, providing altcoins with more room to rally. Ethereum on the 3-day chart is now hitting major resistance between $3,900 and $4,100. As warned in previous videos, expect profit taking around here. We're already seeing early signs of that. On the daily Ethereum chart, support sits around $3,700. If we drop further, look for $3,500 and $3,250 to act as strong support zones. The 2-hour Ethereum chart shows a short-term bearish divergence, higher highs in price, lower highs in RSI. That means a pullback or sideways action is likely over the next day or two. Longer term, Ethereum remains bullish. If BTC dominance keeps dropping, Ethereum will benefit. But short-term, expect a struggle at this resistance level. Solana is looking bullish after breaking out resistance levels around $191 to $199. The next target should be at 0.618 fib levels, which is around $220. That's almost a 10% move to the upside from our current levels. If that's a 10x leverage trade, that would 100% profit levels, not financial advice. Now, zooming into the 8-hour chart, Solana completed a bullish cup and handle pattern that started around $158. If you caught that move, congrats. If you took profits at the technical price target around $191 to $199, that's a smart move. Trades like this offset small losses from failed patterns. The pattern has now played out. Focus on support, resistance from here forward. We have significant support at $195 right now. Nothing much has changed about XRP, which is forming a potential bearish divergence on the weekly chart. On the short term, look for $3.30 to $3.40 to hold as support. $4.60 to $4.70 will be next potential target, which lies in the 2.618 Fibonacci extension level. XRP looks strong, likely to consolidate near all-time highs and push higher if BTC dominance keeps dropping. And once again, if you want to trade any of these crypto moves, make sure to check out the links below this video. Those exchange links will give you access to massive sign-up bonuses, but they only work if you use those exact links. That's everything I've got for you today. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a critical update during this bull market. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you all in the next video.